thing about outdoor learning is you get inspired by it, and if you can go and share some of that with other people, that's great.
It's that opportunity to do things that you can't really do in your classroom, indoors. So it's a great big outdoors classroom. So we're still doing lots of learning. We're doing things together because there's lots of group activities that you're going to be doing. So you're working with each other and sorting problems out together and things like that. So it's a really different way of learning, but a really special way of learning, and I think probably a really fun way of learning.
Ddysgu yn yr awyr agored yn gwahanol I ddysgu yn y dosbarth achos mae fwy o lle I wneud y gwaith achos yn y dosbarth ti ar bwrdd gyda pobl arall a mae tymor bach yn squeezed in. You can learn in a different way and you do different types of learning, which makes it a lot more fun.
I think by having the Pembrokeshire Outdoor Schools partnerships allows lots of different types of activities that give a breadth of experience for teachers to see different ways of using the outdoor learning environment. So you can see that it can be used for sports that are not the traditional sports but different types of games. You can see outdoor learning through forest school type activities but also orienteering. So it's showing the breadth of the curriculum that can be met through different partnerships.
I love going outside of the classroom. It makes me feel happy and you can do science experiments and measure the temperature and do lots of things outside.
Out here you can learn about nature and sports and things like that.
The best thing I've done today is I think trying to find the footprints in the woods because I used a map and I'm not really good at maps but I've learned how to use them.
Ar hyn o bryd, ni ddim yn treulio digon amser tu allan yr awyr agored. Rhywbeth I yn gweithio fel ysgol I ddatblygu. Mae'r cyfnod sylfaen yn treulio llawer amser tu allan. Rhywbeth I ni'n treial datblygu fel cyfnod allweddol 2. Ac hefyd trwy cael ardaloedd gwahanol ni'n datblygu fel yr ardd, ardaloedd darllen tu allan, ffram ddringo ac yn y blaen. Gobeithio bydd hwn yn datblygu ymhellach.
This way, maybe?
Yeah. There we go. Mae rhaid ni mynd mlaen ar terrace. It makes me feel happy. Because in the class when you're like bored waiting for the teacher to say when you can start. So I'll tell you just have a walk around. It makes me feel energetic because when you're outside you have loads of place to explore and run around.
Manteision gweithio tu allan bendant yw'r awyr iach. Mae'r plant yn mwynhau, maen nhw'n awyddus I weithio tu allan. Ac hefyd, mae fel bod nhw'n canolbwyntio yn well, mae rai nhw gwrando pan I tu allan yr awyr agored. A maen nhw'n dysgu llawer yn fwy hefyd, bod nhw'n meddwl bod nhw ddim yn dysgu. Mae'r disgyblion ar ddiwedd gweithgaredd yn sylweddoli bod nhw wedi dysgu llawer taw. Maen nhw wedi cael llawer o sport a mwynhad allan o dysgu tu allan.
We haven't got a barbecue. Once more. I think there are two barriers to engaging with outdoor learning. I think one of them is about schools' anxiety in terms of making sure that they can fit it into the curriculum. And I think the second barrier is probably around staff confidence. But I think days like today are a really good opportunity to show that you don't need those things, that actually it's just fun, and making it fun for teachers as well as fun for children is a really key part of helping them to engage in outdoor learning.
Tanya, go!
Gyda'r cwricwlwm newydd yn wedig gyda'r Donaldson, dwi'n gweld bydd angen I ni fynd allan yn fwy. Bydd fwy o cyfleoedd I ni fynd allan gyda'r cwricwlwm fwy agored. Mae pwyslais mawr ar lles I ddisgyblion. A dwi'n gweld bydd hwn yn well I ni fel athrawon, staff cyfleoedd i wneud mynd lawr falle rŵt bach i ni eisiau mynd lawr yn lle bod ni'n cyfyng i'r cwricwlwm sydd gyda ni ar y foment.
It made me feel proud of myself because I've never felt that proud before. You could feel the breeze, you could see the nature, it's just nice. It's more fun than just sitting inside.